Here on our channel, we have seen how some natural juices can act as actual medications. Have you tried any of them? Our channel has a lot of different juice recipes. Green juice, orange, apple, papaya, pineapple, and even some kale or spinach juice. Which ones have you tried already? These are some of the variations that we are used to making and drinking, right? Because they are natural, and depending on the ingredients used, juices can work as a powerful homemade medicine. Did you know that? This is what we will see in today's video, where you will learn how to make a concentrated lemon juice. Concentrated lemon juice has numberless health benefits, like fights diabetes. Lemon peel, which is part of our recipe, has high hesperidin and polyphenols levels, two substances that metabolize glucose properly, preventing it from building up in the blood. Also, the soluble fibers found in lemon help the body eliminate excess sugar. Detoxifies the liver. The citric acid found in lemons and other citrus fruits is a natural detoxifier. Citric acid boosts the liver, making the organ eliminate quicker and more efficiently the toxins and impurities of blood, besides preventing excess fat from building up. Controls the LDL cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber of lemon also fights against LDL cholesterol, known as the bad cholesterol. Controls blood pressure. The compounds found in lemon improve artery flexibility, which facilitates blood flow through the circulatory system. Also, it improves blood vessel function, strengthening heart health. This benefit lowers the possibility of developing diseases like hypertension, and thus reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Isn't it incredible? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. In addition to these things, concentrated lemon juice also fights the common cold and flu, fights against respiratory tract infections like sore throat and inflamed tonsils, and strengthens the immune system. It also reduces nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, improves digestion, etc. Want to learn how to make concentrated lemon juice? You will need 4 big lemons. Thoroughly rinse your lemons, then quarter each one of them. After cutting, put the lemon quarters in a blender or food processor and blend for 2 minutes. Don't add water or sugar. The aim is a concentrated and whole juice. After 2 minutes, pour the green paste into a container and keep it in your fridge. How to drink it? Your concentrated lemon juice will have a paste-like consistency after being ready. You can consume it as is or dilute it in some water. If you prefer to dilute it, add a tablespoon of your concentrated juice into 10 ounces of water at most. Follow these measurements to a T to ensure the juice will remain concentrated. Drink the diluted version every day on an empty stomach, 15 to 20 minutes before your breakfast. Although its flavor is strong, it is best not to add any kind of sweetener to it. Concentrated lemon juice can be consumed for up to 30 days in a row. After this period, alternate your consumption, for example, every other day. So, did you like this recipe? Try this juice and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.